all restrictions imposed on account of COVID-19 are removed. 2, watch out, however, I still encourage voluntary compliance to public health and social measures. Good hand hygiene should become part of the new normal. 3, government will intensify the vaccination campaign. We believe that vaccination is necessary to protect the nation against any outbreak of new variants of COVID-19. 4, foreign travelers must present vaccination certificates at point of entry. This is similar to the requirement for travelers to produce certificates of vaccination against yellow fever in some countries. 5, the control of COVID will be carried out in the same way as was with the hepatitis E. 6, the COVID-19 public updates shall be discontinued unless the situation necessitates such interventions. 7, daily COVID update will be discontinued. The public will be briefed weekly on the situation on Thursdays at the Government Information Center by the Ministry of Health and Social Services. I sincerely commend those who were in the front line of the fight against COVID-19. Health workers and first responders, including our men and women in uniform, who demonstrated commitment to protect our country against this deadly enemy. Our ability to manage the infection rate is testament of the hard work and dedication of our shared commitment across the public and private sector to fight COVID-19. I also wish to thank our international cooperating partners, including the United Nations, specifically the World Health Organization, the U.S. Center for Disease Control, as well as embassies and missions that provided different forms of assistance to enable us to contain COVID-19. In particular here we can mention some countries like People's Republic of China, India, Russia, and many others. But we mention few because we cannot mention all of them. That's why we talk through the embassies and so on, I said. COVID-19 pandemic was the biggest fight since our independence in 1990, in a different form, of course. This deadly virus tested our ability to remain united in the Namibian house. Indeed, we emerged bruised during the battle against this invisible and deadly enemy, COVID-19. However, because we stood firm by holding hands during the various battles of the past 26 months, we contained the COVID-19 pandemic. Our unity remained our strength. Yes, unity is our hard currency as Namibians. Therefore, I wish to thank each and every Namibian for making sure that we reach the stage where we can remove all restrictions related to COVID-19.